stuff, and I just feel like it's very misleading to anybody who wants to go over to Canada and to take the education route and then continue working. Especially now in Canada, they are doing a lot of things to send back non-Canadians to go back home. I wasn't sent back home, like all my paperwork eventually.
Alright, so viewers and subscribers, we say well forward to the channel. You feel me? I say well forward to this channel. My name is Dan Pearl. This channel is all about music, news, entertainment, update as well. Live stream, and you feel me? I say these type of Jamaican content that we bring over here. It's been a couple days I do not post over here. But people, we have this girl right now. I tell you, oh, Canada is misleading. Canada stress out. She there Canada, when she go to Canada with, you know, after high school and all these things that go over there for better life. Canada say, welcome over here. We have jobs and everything is over here for you guys to get right now. Just come over here. This pack up herself and go over there and see struggle, stress, depressed. Mama say when she go back at Jamaica, her mother say, yo, hold on there, oh, you look so malnourished. She could even pronounce the word because she had said she remember them the words. But she make you know, say, yo, right now, Canada push out a lot of immigrants, a lot of people from over there who is non-Canadian. The female say like them, I say, yo, pack up, go back out now. We not have no job for you right now. We have to leave a little jobs them in the country right now for the Canadians them over here. The female say, I put the rest of the video and we could listen to it and we talk about it. The man say people, so we could get into the rest of the video because it crazy around one part, my friend. Everywhere in the world is crazy, getting crazy. Let's go.
So why did I move back to Jamaica after living in Canada for 4 years? So basically, when I first moved to Canada, it was after sixth form, and I went as a student. I studied advertising, marketing, and communications. And then after I graduated, I was job hunting. So for a year after graduating, I was job hunting, and basically currently right now in Canada, I would say they are going through very much a hiring freeze, a standstill, and also a recession. So basically, many people are not finding jobs. They are not getting into their field of study that they wanted to, which I feel like is something that's happening all over the world. But in Canada, it's happening a lot more, in my opinion. And before I went to Canada, they were advertising that there's a lot of jobs in different fields and all that good stuff. And I just feel like it's very misleading to anybody who wants to go over to Canada and to take the education route and then continue working. Especially now in Canada, they are doing a lot of things to send back non-Canadians to go back home. I wasn't sent back home, like all my paperwork eventually after a very long time of waiting got approved. So currently right now, I am legally authorized to work in Canada, but because I could not find a job that was, one, in my field, and two, if I did find a job, then I would be working for some awful people who were definitely taking advantage of the situation, taking advantage of me, and the fact that I am an international person, an immigrant, and by myself with no family, and still, even though being there for 4 years, still learning the ropes and learning how things are done. And basically the fact that I was 100% working myself to the bone. My mental health was declining, my physical health was declining, everything was declining. So I was like, I finally came to the conclusion that the best thing for me would be to go home to where I have family, to where I have my mommy, to where I can be loved and seen, and probably pick back up and try again where I was lacking. When I got back home, my mommy was like, yeah, you look like you look malnourished. I don't know how to say it, but I just looked as if I had been through the depths of war. She says, you don't look like yourself. You don't look like the Carice I raised. So I went back home. I'm home now, and my mommy and I am going to go into teaching now. This September, I'm going to enroll into a teaching school in Kingston and start over from fresh. And I have my family. I have family in Kingston, family in Mobay, family all over the place in Jamaica. So I am just rebuilding from scratch. and I was really truly suffering and going through it in Canada.
So that's so like a little bit bittersweet story. You feel me? I say so. You can't see it in her. You can't see it by you looking at her face and the way she talking. She getting very emotional. You feel me? Cause the choice that she make. You see me? She there Canada by herself for 4 years. No family member. All her family there Jamaica. So she there Canada and she had say yo she go through stress as far as the work system. You feel me? She go school, do everything, and when she do everything now, she cannot get a job. The people them in a place, once you're immigrant outside, them don't want to give you good work. They want to treat her some type of way. You see me? I say, and now everybody I realize now and I move from Canada. That's why a lot of people right now running away from Canada, going back to their country because they might say, yo, Canada get hard. These days Canada getting hard, and I say Canada alone in a lot of country, but Canada did kind of hard for a man, people. You feel me? I say Canada did kind of run close to England in a way. You get what me I say? Cause the things them did kind of the price range did different over there. You get what me I say? But you could have maintained still, but the Canada you have to work and pay tax, pay this, pay that. You can't catch yourself. You feel me? I say you can't catch yourself. You all you can see people in Canada where they do 9 to 5 and say they reach out like that. You get me? I say even in America, you could have do America have them little thing about them, but you know in America you can work and probably save back in ideas, probably not now. You see me? But right now Canada, we see a lot of people that decide say yo them a move back from Canada and all these things, and just the other day Canada them they put out too much things, say oh them need people to come over there, them need this and need that. No them say them gone in a work recession now, like people can't find no job over there. You can't get no job over there like that anymore. You see me? So Canada they don't stop put out them things there and say don't want people over there. Cause here the girls say no, them are send back home. You feel me? I say everybody who is non-Canadian. You feel me? I say all like Jamaicans, them are non-Canadian, all like other immigrant Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, Grenada, all of them people that is non-Canadian. Them I get them out cause them don't want them come over there now and I take up a workspace. You feel me? And when I really check out the people, Canada is a very big country, bigger than America by land. You get to me? I say, and it's like you always have something about Canada. They get to me? I say, people, they always excitement. You see, like excitement with the America. You know, really, they are Canada like how America they. England and them place they're dead. England, Canada and them place they're dead. So them place they like depression more pop up on you quick and fast over there. So worse if you're not a family member over there. You see me? That's why you have to give thanks to the people that may hold it out over there without family member. Cause I have a sister over there, and she over there a good while now. She a citizen. She a Canadian citizen, but she hold it out over there. She go through hell to get her citizenship, but she make it out. You feel me? I say, and I survive. And she hold it out over there by herself. She fight the fight and she face the battle over there. So she face the battle over there so with bad mind people, wicked people and all these things. You see me? Yeah, she face the battle. So Canada is not a place where you can say, yeah, you can just go over there so just know and say, yo, me I go over there, go relax and chill out and you have to go over there, go work. In that country you have to work your ass off. And then when you work your ass off now and pay your bills, guys, you whole like gone in a tax. You see me? That I think with this now. Tax take away whole of your money in Canada. You knock your pocket and I say, Bombard, where my money gone? Oh, here's come the tax man. He take the money. You see me? So you see now, mama, this girl and now decide say, yo, she moved back to Jamaica after 4 years. And look how she do it. She be smart cause she a young girl. And she realize say, yo, if things that I see people go over here and get trapped up in her, me not going through. Cause you hear what she said, her papers come through. So she get her papers for Canada and all them things there, and she decide say, yo, she'll go back home. which is the right time. You get the papers and you go back home. If you decide say you want to lift up and go over there, go check up her and some style, you can just go over there. But right now, people, she an idiot. She realize say, yo, she young, and she say she'll get drained out over there. So depression and all these things for a young girl. And when she there at Jamaica, you can see it in her girl face. She happy, say she there back home, her family them. You see me? She happy, say she there back home, her family them, and probably she have to wait before she get her papers, and she now get her documents and decide say, yo, watch you know, it's time to go back home. And that one. You see me? I mean, around our people. A lot of people would have over there living a denial, and them just get stressed. Them a get, you see me, anxiety. Them a get all type of this till they on all these type of daytime drugs and all these things. You take this for your stress. You take this for depression. You take this a pill for that the pill. For this a pill for match the pill. And you find yourself just a get slower and slower and slower and slower and slower and slower. They get to me and say, this girl, she's smart. She decided to, yo, oh, me not stay in this. Me a run with her all of this. Yeah, mad. Me a no mad somebody. Me a lift up my friend. You get to me and say, she a lift up. That she do. That she do, people. She exit the place. Go back to Jamaica around her family. Mother can cook her good food, give her again. They see me and say, or even just there Jamaica, get the Jamaican breeze there, Jamaican energy there. The vibes there, Jamaica is a total different type of vibes, a type of energy where you would get a Canada. You see me and say, you get your nice fresh breeze, your sun, your good sunlight. You see me and say, your good vitamin and all these things from the sun and all them things upon your body. More than when they are Canada people, where sun does show once a year. You see me? Once a year you get sun of Canada, you know, my friend. Can you imagine that? Once a year in a certain part of America to once a year. You see the place? Canada is a country. Canada is a country now where I don't think they have no part like how you can go up north or down south and them place there, or down California upon the west coast where down at them place they hot. You feel me? I say all year round them place they hot. Like Florida and all these places. You see me? I say. So Canada cold, when Canada cold right through a year, and then now a little part, then get to a little summer, and then down for the rest of the year now a be a coldness. You get to me? I say. So January, February, March, April, and then you have to say June, July, August, and then September, October, it start get back cold again. You get them, I say people, because Canada, you know, Canada cold different. Yeah. So if you was a subscriber, big up for yourself. Thank you for come over here and check out this channel. Please share it up. Tell a friend them say, yo, listen, if you're depressed in Canada and all this and a country, do like this girl. They see how she take the courage and go back her yard. You feel me? She does go back home. She not response. She decides to say, yo, oh, I'm not staying here. Why I'm staying here? Go home. And that is the right thing to do, my friend. Can you believe it? Wow.